Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist, here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is a sample video recorded on the Motorola Moto G10. This is all the default settings that you get with the Moto G10. And as you can see, it's pretty decent in good lighting conditions, though it does struggle a little with our smaller cat, Vala, the tuxedo cat on the left. Especially in the shadow, it's just a black blob as far as we can see. But overall, I'd say performance is pretty decent. And you can also see that Rodney, our other cat, is doing a good job of grooming his friend. Oh, she's decided he doesn't need to carry on. She said no. Let's see what happens. Something has caught their attention. There we go. Back to normal. Back to some pussy licking or grooming. Call it what you will. It can be an amusing interaction between the two. Rodney, Vala said no. What happens is quite sad usually. He then gets flipped by Vala. She's definitely the more capable of the two when it comes to fights. But he seems to be settling down now. Anyway, this is a sample video recorded with all the default settings on the Motorola Moto G10. We hope you have enjoyed this video, which also contained pussy licking. I'm sorry if we have used that as clickbait to get you onto this video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover smartphones and gadgets and pretty much anything we believe makes the smartphone travel experience better.